How to make a Minecraft server for free. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you do it or how can you make a Minecraft server for free. So to begin with, open up a browser and on the web address bar, you want to type in Minecraft server download. After which you want to press the second link that appears and here you have it. So now you could actually go ahead and read about all of these and you could go ahead and click on the download. There is this server, this is the one. You want to press on it and it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to load it. So after it is completely loaded, you could actually go ahead and open the file explorer and look for it, or you could just simply press from the top right hand side corner, just double click on it. So after it is completely downloaded, you want to open up the file explorer and go to downloads. When you go to download, here is the server. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this first of all, and I'm going to drag it, drop, and it's added to the desktop first of all. So when I've actually added, exit out of this page, go to your desktop, and here it is, just for the easy purpose. Now you want to right click on your mouse and then you want to go ahead and click on new. Now you have to go ahead and create a folder, so click on folder and give a name for it. And once it is created, you want to open up the particular file. You could actually go ahead and minimize it just like that. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and drag and drop the folder or the server into this particular file. So once it is added, now you want to open it up and you can see this is how it's going to look like. Now you want to exit out of this page and you want to download Java. If you've already done it, so then that's well and good. It's going to be added automatically. If not, you want to exit out this page and open up a browser and go to Java or type in Java. Now press the first link, that is www.java.com, and it's going to take you to this page. Java, run to desktop and click on the download button. Now click on download from the bottom of the page and it's going to take a couple of seconds. You need to run the program as any other installer. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and exit out this page or go to file explorer from here and locate the Java file. Now this is the one. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and download it, or just want to click on the install and yes. After which you want to exit out this page and then you want to click on install. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds, just wait patiently. Once it is installed, open up the particular file, or you want to double click on the server and you want to go ahead and select Java and click on always. So when you see this option, an error has occurred, then you want to go back to the same page and you want to get the developer. So here you want to go ahead and open up the particular page or the same page and you want to click on developer download. Once you do it, so it's going to take a couple of seconds and you want to go ahead and click on the download. So here it is, you want to go ahead and click on the one and it's going to take a couple of seconds, just wait patiently. After which, when you double click on it, you'll see a lot of files popping up. So from there, you want to go ahead and select the eula. After which, you want to go ahead and make some changes with that and just follow the prompt. And with that being said, you'll be able to make a Minecraft server for free. So you could also go ahead and make some changes with the prompt if you like, or you could make changes with the settings. So that's the way. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next